Let's go. It's time for a trade recap of this trade. So yeah, we did have this news like an hour before the market opened, and yeah, we are trading, bro. It's like 1 hour before the market opened. I ended up taking a trade on Nasdaq, uh, and I can show you guys. Like I saw two setups. We saw a setup on like S&P 500 and Nasdaq, both of them. But I ended up taking the Nasdaq trade. So yeah, let me run you guys through why I took the trade and what I took the trade based on. So coming into the market open, this is the market open over here, 15:30 for me. If you go on a 30-minute time frame, that would be showing like 50:30 over there. That's the market open. What are we on a like hourly? Boom, we broke structure to the upside. We closed above this high over there. Perfect. What are we on a 4 hour? Bullish. What are our bias, daily bias? We are looking for long. We are bullish. And after that, I went it up like marking out 4 hour liquidity, like sell side and buy, like I'm a sell side only, 4 hour and 1 hour liquidity. So we had this that was taken out on the pre market, as you guys can see, this 4 hour low, and we had this 4 hour low over here too. This 4 hour low was in line with this 1 hour low, as you guys can see, which it took out on the pre market. We saw a big move to the upside, and that's when like there's no way the price is gonna come again here and take out the like these lows over here we made. Like I can mark that low over there. That's what I thought. But yeah, market open, so I went on and marked out the like, let me show you guys. La la la. So I went on and marked out the equilibrium. Let's see if it's gonna come back to the. Let's see the equilibrium. Bro, come on, there. So I went on marked the equilibrium because, as I said, I was not like thinking the market's gonna come lower, take out this. So I marked out equilibrium, and at the meantime, like we had nothing more than equilibrium. We did had this breaker block over here, which got completely disrespected. Yeah, so I had like my main confluence to take trade based on was either this breaker block or this equilibrium. So as you guys can see, price did come into equilibrium, but it pushed way down below. So if you go on a 5 minute time frame, that would be much easier to explain for you guys. Now we have like too much lines over here, so maybe I should remove some of them. Maybe like I can remove these highs because that's not like, I can remove these. So let's go on a 5 minute time frame. So this line over here, as you guys can see, this is this hourly breaker block, as you guys can see over there. Price did come into that, as you guys can see, price come into that, completely disrespected that, pushed lower, and actually price came lower and took out this hourly low over there again. So that was like a good confluence for me to go long also. So price come, took out this 4 hour low, or you could say 1 hour sell side liquidity that was taken out on the pre-market. It took out that, and I was looking for a 5 minute break of structure and a fair value gap entry. So here we see a big pressure, like for the buy side, people are buying over here, and I went on marked this fair value gap for the first, that got disrespected. Then we had this fair value gap over here. I marked that, and price come in, filled that, and put my stop loss here and entered after this one like bullish candle closed out from this fair value gap. So I got kind of like uh, bad entry over here. My entry could have been like, let me show you guys. My entry could have been like over here, like price, the volatility was too much, so I ended up entering, and I got entered like up here. Yeah, right after I entered, price did go in a drawdown, but yeah, it went like hit my, I had only one TP, like that was this hourly high over here that was that we made on the pre-market or the market open. And yeah, I do had like another, like, these highs is a take profit, these highs is a take profit, and these sides is a take profit. That's like, yeah, I could have waited, but that's not something for me that I would wait for it, because I don't see any, like, I didn't think the price is gonna push all the way and take out these sides. As you guys can see, that really happened. Price come, took up, I got out with all of my position over here. Price went higher, took up our second take profit and push lower. That was the Nasdaq trade. So I entered this trade over here, but we had another good setup, like a better setup on S&P X 500 that I did not take, but I can like run you guys through what I was thinking over here. So let me just make it this like this, or no, let's go like this. So one more important thing is that when the market opened, we were kind of like, we were bearish on a hourly, because this candle closed above that after like 30 minutes in the market. That closed like above this high. We broke structure to the upside, but at the meantime we didn't know if the hourly was gonna go bullish or it's gonna be bearish. So I was like, okay, hourly is bearish for me, because we have to wait another 30 minutes for this hourly candle to get filled, to get completely like complete or filled, whatever you wanna say. Then we know if it's gonna give me a break structure to the upside or not. But yeah, we ended up, I waited, but meantime my bias was like bullish still, because we were bullish on a 4 hour. Look at this, we were bullish, we broke structure to the upside over here. On the 4 hour I was bullish, but hourly was bearish, so I wanted to wait, because otherwise I have to take trade on a 50-minute time frame. And what I did was mark out this equilibrium over here, the same as I did on Nasdaq. Mark out the equilibrium. We had this breaker block, which got completely disrespected. Let me just mark it for you guys. Maybe this breaker block over there that got completely disrespected, but the price after hitting equilibrium, as you guys can see, it completely changed. Like, look, we hit 50% mark of equilibrium. What happens? We get a break structure here, a 5-minute break structure, and I saw a 5-minute fair value gap over here. This was the 5-minute fair value gap. Price fills that, and we see a big move to the upside. We could enter. I just went on and put this thing over here, just as of like, if I had taken the trade, was it gonna be a valid trade or no? But it wouldn't, like, it would hit our TP1, TP2, but this is not kind of like something that I want to see. Like, this is not even a 1-to-1. 1-to-1 would been hit, but I wanted to do this 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. That was like kind of risky, because it's a bit hard for the price to push all the way up there. But if we had closed our position over here, that would have been 1 to like almost 2 RR. But yeah, my main take profit would have been like this, and which the price hasn't hit our TP yet. So if you're wondering, my other take profit was this high over here, then we had this hourly high over there, and that hourly high over there as a take profit, but it never got hit. So yeah, that was the trade of today's, and I can show you guys if you're wondering if I really took the trade. I'm just like 600 up there, 600 up on my 50k funding challenge, and yeah, it was like almost like 1%. So not a big trade, but yeah, I'm still happy. Consistency is the key over here. So it was like 1.42. Yeah, consistency is the key. It was a good trade, and I got unlucky over here. I could have entered over here like this, because I knew we had like this candle, 5-minute candle was pushing crazily, bro. I knew that it's gonna close above. I was just gonna enter, and the price did really move higher, like very fast. So I got entered up here, and otherwise it would have been a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. That was for today and today's trade recap. And yeah, I might do more trade recap videos in future.